Hi, everyone. What do we have here?
It's me, Lali! Swim after me! Today we're going to craft a house for mermaids!
Oh, then we'll need tails, right, Zoey?
Now Rumi!
Hi, superstar. Now it's Mira's turn. What a cutie. Let's start with the room.
Mine! I'm here! I want to see my room!
This one?
Yes, open it already!
Okay.
What? Why is there nothing here? Oops. Even the roof flew away.
Oh my god.
Looks like this place needs a makeover. LaLiLu, help!
We'll fix everything together right now. Hey, where are you going? Oh, that's a great wall. Let's put it right here.
My movie is soon. Oh, are we remodeling?
Hey, can I borrow your cup?
What for?
Well, I'll show you what we can make from it. We need to cut off the bottom. Now we slice the cut. Scissors will be easier. Like this, lengthwise. Carefully.
I'll add the glue.
Let's attach the halves on top. They fit perfectly here.
Done!
That's just the beginning. I'm adding a second row of shingles. It looks much more textured now.
I'll secure everything with glue so it won't fall off.
I'm cutting a piece of tape into strips. Oh, this is faster. It'll make great decor. I peel off the backing and decorate the wall. Done!
I found ruffles! Open! Oops!
Great! I'll add them to the roof.
Something's missing. Oh, is that a ball? Mermaid soccer! Go! I win!
You know, we can still use these balls. I'll cut them in half, gluing them to the wall. Oh, and here's the main pearl.
That's my job! Hi-ya!
Thanks, Mr. Krabs. All right, let's glue it in the center. Yep, and the final touch.
Wow, is this my room? It's in a pearl style. Everything is so pretty. Oh, and this decor matches my tail perfectly. Thanks, Lali, you're a genius. Yep, I'm a pro at what I do. See you later.
All right, who's next? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Mira! Yay! Let's open it.
This will be a fluffy room. It's so soft in here.
The snail will help us cover the walls. Let's go along the top.
Whoa, is that slime? So sticky.
Wow. Lali, don't get your hands messy. Let's clean this up. Oh no, now I'm messy too. Let's cover it quickly with fabric. There we go, fluffy walls. Now, what about the floor?
Here's an idea.
Perfect, this yarn is so soft. I'll lay it in rows. Great idea, I love it.
The room is just as fluffy as your tail.
You're right. Girls, look, I gathered a bunch of corals.
Corals? Can they be soft?
Of course, if they're made from chenille wire. I twist them into spirals and done. These springy shapes turned out great. Let's decorate the corners with them. And we can secure them with a pin. So cute.
I saw these super cool things on TikTok, but I got tangled.
Oh, Lali, let me see. Ah, right, it's tiny. We'll need a magnifying glass.
Can you see me?
You know what? I'll use my phone. All right, let's watch the hat. Okay, it looks simple. Here, then here. Let's try. Twisting the wires together. Wrapping another color around a straw. Removing the spiral to thread the strand through. Twisting the ends. Curling the feelers. And gluing plastic eyes. It's a snail! Awesome, just like in the video.
Wow, I want to try too. Okay, here, now here, done!
Mine worked too.
LaLiLu, look!
Girls, you did amazing! Let's place these sea creatures on the fluffy wall. It's so cozy here, I love it. Oh, who's this? Hi, Mr. Snail.
Good boy, he helped us.
Great job! Awesome, we did it! Hey, Mr. Krabs, where are you going? Oh, Rumi! Did everyone forget about me? I've been waiting forever for my turn. We finished your friend's room. Now it's your turn. Yay, finally!
Don't stop! Hold on!
Why? It's Rumi's turn now.
Wait a second!
Lali, what's wrong? What's this?
I didn't have time to tidy up here.
Where did all this mess come from?
I was cutting decor and left everything behind.
So what do we do with all this? No worries, I'll help. Can I use this? Look, Lali made shiny scales. Wow, so pretty.
We can decorate the walls with them. Oh!
It's okay. I'll coat the circles with glue and stick them here. The whole room will sparkle. I'll fill the surface, alternating colors. Don't leave any gaps. Wow. Oh, we're short for the third wall. Only 2 pieces left. Okay.
It looks nice. See how pretty?
You think so? It feels a bit off to me.
What's that up there?
Let me think. Sequin fabric? Oh, perfect. Wow, so fancy.
I love sparkles.
Just right for the third wall. Wow.
Here, have a drink, LaLiLu.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I can't drink this. There's fabric inside.
I was joking.
You know, this is exactly the material I needed. I'll lay it on the floor.
Wow, so cool. Ocean teal color. But you know, it still feels a bit empty.
Let's fix that. Look here.
Ooh, real treasures. I know what to do with them.
Let's glue together crystals of different shapes. It'll look amazing. You're right, Rumi. Let's decorate with purple gems.
My precious.
Oh, a slug! Whose is it? Mine. His name is Peter. And he is not a slug, he's a snail.
My precious is free now. Wait, I'll catch you. Final touch. I'll add a starfish. And there, perfect.
Great job, Rumi. I think they'll look amazing in the center of the room.
I'm off to show it off. Hey girls, have you seen my room? It's so beautiful, diamond style. Oh, Mr. Krabs, wait!
Come visit me.
Now you'll definitely get caught.
Welcome to my room.
Wow, everything sparkles here. LaLiLu, what are you doing here?
Oh, perfect timing, Zoey. I decided to make you a bed. But first, let's clear away these pearls. Just a little more. Great, here's the base. I'll cover it with thin plastic and flip it over. I trace the container with a marker. Now we can cut it out. Carefully.
LaLiLu, the super glue is here.
No, Lali, better bring the slime.
Super slime is here. Oh, wow, it's super heavy.
Got it.
Thank you.
Let's squeeze the slime into a dish.
Press harder. It kind of feels like goo. Share in the comments what you think about this hack.
Something's missing here. Got it, I have an idea. Let's cut out some sparkly drips. You need to be careful with the scissors here. That's it. Decorate the edges. A soft headboard. Wow, cute pillows. The bed is ready.
Wow, is that for me?
Yep. Oh, wait, what are you sitting on?
I don't know. It was just standing here.
In my workshop, nothing sits around unused. Stay right there for a second. I know. Remove this half. Now this part. Yep, I'll coat the inside with varnish. Sprinkle in some glitter. Look at that sparkle. Now this piece. I'll attach an organza ribbon to it. Swim, little jellyfish. Oops.
LaLiLu, let me hold it. Wait.
I put the thread to make a ruffle. Yes, nice, a real tentacle. I'll add a few more ribbons. Decorating with a pearl string. Now we can hang it.
Such a beautiful chandelier.
Let's place a vanity table in the corner. A comfy chair right next to it.
What about above?
Let's decorate everything with pearl strands.
Cool, it matches my jellyfish chandelier perfectly. A slug? Where did you come from?
Peter, there you are. Ran off again.
You know, he's actually kinda cute.
Yep, let's swim back. LaLiLu, what are you doing? I'm drawing a house for the snail so he stops running away. What do you think, Peter? Let's try it on. The size is just right. Cutting a hole in the cup. Perfect. Removing the top. And there'll be a ball on the roof.
Let me glue it. All set, super secure. Oops. We can decorate with the balls.
Great idea, Lali. They're so soft. Let's line them along the edge.
Look, I've got antennas!
Cute snail. Let's put them here. Twist the wires together. Oh, where's Peter? Oh, hi, little one.
LaLiLu, I have an idea. Give me a pencil.
Oh, 1 second. Here it is.
I have a new hat.
You asked for a pencil. Oh, Lali, what is that? Oh, you little prankster. Take off the house and don't scare Peter. I'll decorate the edge with stickers. Perfect. A snail won't run away from a house like this. It turned out so beautiful. Thank you, LaLiLu. Anytime. Oh, where did he go? My snail is gone. Peter went out for another little walk.
Hey, hi. Where is he going?
Have you seen my snail?
He crawled that way.
Thanks. These new videos are awesome. Oh, I need to save this hack. Mira's pet is up to something.
Huh? Who's drinking my soda?
Peter?
Of course, drink some water. Enjoy.
Good boy. And I've got important business.
Wow, are these treasures for my home? Open it. I can't wait. What? Like clay? Why? I wanted something pretty.
Now, Rumi.
LaLiLu, help us.
We'll make something special out of the clay. Pop. Mixing 2 shades together. Kneading it well. How do you like this shape idea? Look, you need to roll this piece into a long droplet. Hey, Peter, you again. Go on, head to your house. Making little dents with a tool. Bending the edges to add volume. What does it look like to you? I'll curl this part inward. Flatten it a bit. Oh, a gorgeous shell. Coating it with pearly varnish. Sprinkling glitter. Super fancy style. Attaching it to the base. Curved armrests.
So, is it ready yet?
Yep.
Awesome! Let's swim to Rumi.
I'm right behind you. We made a luxurious sofa.
It turned out so beautiful. All done?
Yep.
Today we made 3 ocean-style rooms. A pearl one for me.
And a sparkly diamond one for me. And a fluffy one for me and Peter. Oh, where did he crawl off to again? See you soon!